Alright, I'm Dan, and I'm going to show you how to get this dog housing back on to your Chevy Astro van or GMC Safari, same thing. I watch a lot of videos and they're pretty entertaining. A lot of people pissing and moaning about getting this thing on and off. Honestly, it's not that tough. One thing you want to do is make sure the seats are all the way back. You don't have to take them out, but all the way back will give you the room that you need. This one I already had off, but I put it back on just to show you how I get it off. All you really have to do is wiggle it, jiggle it. First you got these bolts here, one on each side and then one on the bottom. All you really have to do is just kind of wiggle it. This is where I could use a GoPro, I guess. Wiggle it off. You're gonna find it's just one-handed. Now to put it back in, same kind of thing. You just wiggle it a little bit. Okay, one-handed is kind of tough, so, but you probably still do it. Look at that. You gotta pull on it a little bit to clear those clamps, but and that. I don't know what all these wires are for, but apparently I need them. Alright. From there, put the bolts in. Alright, so there you got that bolt that was at the top. All you gotta do is get a wrench on it, get a long socket. That actually was going to draw this dog housing in, so you can put it in by hand a little bit until it bites. Okay, I guess it just did. And it's going to start sucking the dog bone in. Dog bone. I've had a long day. This is not a dog bone. It's a dog housing. And there's another one on the other side. You just, you know, hard to see right there, but you can see it there. Can't hold the flashlight and the camera at the same time. That's what's giving me trouble right now. I'll make this go ahead and put the light down. Get this thing on. You got the idea. Once you get that sucked on, just the bottoms. Alright, now don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's a joy to put this thing on, but not as tough as everybody makes it seem. Okay, got these clamps at the bottom. It's the right one. Look at that, the left one. Not exactly rocket science. You know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And don't forget to connect the ground here. Little snap there. Then you got to put this heater duct back on. Just kind of slide it into the slot. It secures down here at the bottom with studs, but I never actually had any nuts that went on there. It doesn't matter. Now, before you put your cover on, you want to make sure these clips are here. They fall off pretty easy, and if you lose them, you won't have anything for the screw to go into. So Make sure those clips are in the right place. Put your cover down here. Don't forget to connect the cigarette lighter. Shove those wires back in there. Now this part can be a little tricky. So, looks good on that side. Get one screw here. Get it started. Oh. Nope. See that clip moved over. Gotta be right there. There are two nuts that go down at the bottom here. Be good to make sure those are in alignment before you tighten this all down. I'm just showing you how to put it together. Taking it off is easier. Put your nuts at the bottom. And that's it. Removal is the reverse of the installation. Well, thanks for watching. This is Dan from the Blockhead Boys. I hope that helped you get your doghouse back on your Astro or your Safari. For more videos on how to do stuff on the cheap and family fun adventures, check out our YouTube channel, The Blockhead Boys. That's it.